Hello friends, here is the trade of the week for February 13th, close enough to Valentine's Day, so we'll do a pink chart. Essentially, this is just picking from a scan here. It is a pullback to the 20-day SMA using the trade ideas top list, BERY. Essentially, they are just a global manufacturer of plastics and shipping products. Nothing really sexy, but the chart is showing us a few things. We had a wonderful gap up from earnings out of this resistance level. We have since pulled back from earnings, and this chart shows, this scan shows us that stocks are pulling back after a good push higher to their 20-day SMA. So we're choosing BERY as the trade of the week. You can see, don't be the person to chase these big green bars. Let the stock pull back, wait for your pitch, and settle right on into the 20-day simple moving average, much like we've done here using this scan. So the trade of the week is live above 62.65, and if it triggers, all you want to do is make sure that this simple moving average there, the 50-day simple moving average in blue, just make sure we don't close back below that moving average. That's your trade of the week. That's your trading plan. Good luck out there. If you want a secondary, if you're still watching, here's one for you. It is going to be GSUN. Low $2 stock name, but keep an eye on it. This thing might have some explosiveness to it. You never know. So if you're watching this Easter egg at the end of the video, keep an eye on GSUN. Good luck.